Guys, if you're watching this from Ayamara, please subscribe to our brother Samson, the roadman.
Hey guys, welcome to my village. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Samson, the roadman. Oh guys, I'm already exhausted right about now. So I'm actually starting my video from here today, and I'm actually going to give you guys the progress. We are here right at our cottage in our village here. And, we are starting our video from here today, building the wall fence. You know, like I have been. So as you can see, the beautiful wall fence that we built the other time, it's a few days ago, from this entrance here, going down that way. Yesterday we ended there, so let me just show you from the other side. Today, unfortunately, I'm just alone, and yeah, the guy that was helping me the last few days hasn't come today. So yeah, I'm back alone again, doing everything. Like right now, I'm just from mixing the. This you can see here, and this is what is remaining. You know, that's used half of that. The pod here, so I'm running with a bit here. Yes, guys. So let me just show you the works from yesterday. So now I intended to actually get done with this work like today, like really I wanted it to be done today, you know, but it looks like it's not gonna happen. And looking at the skies, very soon it might give in. The rains will come pouring again. Yesterday we were stopped by the rains for about almost an hour. It rained here in our village. But you can see from here, this is the works that we did. This is the wall fence that we've built all the way up to here. Right on top here, it's about, that's the 13th course. So it's very high. As you can see, that's where my hand reaches. So adding up, like going up there, so looks quite high. So we are going to continue from here today. I will actually continue, build. You can see like this. This was the rains that came, disturbed us. Yeah, so we had to stop. Yeah, but let me continue from here, go all the way. We see if I can actually reach to that corner. That can be nice. That can be nice, guys. So yeah, otherwise this is the part that is remaining. Now, if we were the two of us, we would have actually maybe finished. Yeah, it was just about maybe 2 pockets of cement remaining. Yeah, we can be done. If I had that helper, I could say we'll be done. But now it doesn't look like we'll be done today, you know. So I'll do what I can today, and I'll keep you guys posted. Yes, guys, so you'll be able to see what I'll be able to do all by myself again today, you know, without a helper, you know. The handman, is it called the handman? Yeah, but it is what it is. So I'm going to continue building, going down that with this line, and then I'll start another one, hopefully before the rains come. Okay, so if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification, and yeah, share the video if you can, like the video as well. And yeah, mostly, guys, I do travel videos, farming content, and real estate videos. So that's my niche. So if you like any of these 3 things, you are actually on the right channel. So let's start our day today here today. Okay, thank you so much. And it has rained. It rained like I said yesterday, and I'm expecting these guys, the landscapers, to actually come and continue with their works here, you know, just to level things up nicely all the way up to there. Yeah, if they come, it should be easy for them now to dig a little bit more and finish what they started. You know, that would be nice. Then we can plant some things here for the time being, you know. And this side, I want it also all leveled. Yes, guys, so let's see how we actually going to do it today. But it's a very beautiful morning with good weather, actually, if I may say that, if I put it that way. good weather, guys. So welcome to the channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Samson once again, and I'll keep you guys posted as I progress, you know, like building. I'll keep you posted. So stay tuned, watch this video from start to the end. Let's go. All right, guys, let me give you a midday update for today. You know, we've been building. Right, guys, we've been building. Even though I'm just alone today. Yes, guys, but we're here and we're making progress, steady progress actually. Yes, guys. So yesterday we built that part. From there, these two panels, and then we also laid these blocks up to somewhere here. So today I had to complete them and then start adding on. So I've added, going all the way to the corner here. This is just the inside, so the inside is not yet cleaned because you need to clean, like fill up these gaps which have remained so that it looks good, like I have done right in this corner here. You can see, so we are remaining with this one course right on top here. One course, guys. Then this side, two courses to go that far. This can be done within a day, but today I don't think it can be done. Yeah, so let me take you outside and show you guys how the works look like. You know, I'm very happy, guys, with the way, with this kind of work, like it being the first time of me building. I thought it was going to be very tough. Well, it is tough, especially that I'm just alone, but I've made significant progress and we're almost done. I'm very grateful to all of you for the support as well. Yes, so this is the wall fence that we've built here. You know, this is the wall fence we've been building. DIY, guys, do it yourself, purely by Samson, the roadman. Okay, so this is how our work looks like for today. We started from here. You can see where it's fresh. The one course on top there, that's the one we've been working on. Going all the way to the end, all the way to the end, and the end is right here. Here, the two courses on top. Okay, guys, you can see. So now what I want to do is to complete this part here. That is the 13th course. I need to complete it so that it goes down this way, so that whenever we come and build next time, we just concentrate in between. You know, we don't have to do like corners and things like that. So that's what I intend to do right about now. And then yeah, we'll see how far we can actually go, how far we are actually going to progress going down this side. Okay, but wish me luck, guys. These are the final parts of the construction here, and I'm very happy. So look at the works, guys. I'm very excited about this. We are coming to the end of the construction, coming to the end of building it has been. You know, I'm very excited. I want to say thank you so much for you guys that have always come back to the channel to watch my videos. Really grateful to you. So I've prepared this, and I'm actually going to get into it now. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side. I'll post another video to update you guys, so stay tuned in a few seconds. Alright, guys, let me give you the last update for the day today. I'm very tired already, and yeah, I want to show you what I've done inside. So I've patched up the holes which were visible inside. So I started from that corner. Let me show you. And the corner, I've actually built it to where it's supposed to be. So the 13th course, as I said, come all the way to here. So now when I put these two strings, I'll just attach them to the other side, and then I'll continue building like that. So that may be tomorrow or the other day. Okay, so you can see now it's clean work. Yes, guys, you can see going down this way. So we've cleaned the walls. This is what we mean. Cleaned everything. this looks better as compared to such where there's this hole here not filled up properly. So I've been doing that, just filling it up. So I've done that all this far, going down this way, you can see there, all this far. So tomorrow or the other day we'll start from here. 2 lines will be moving like we are doing on the other side, building 2 courses up to this pillar, and then we move to the other one again, 2 courses. So it takes a bit of time, but it's actually faster in another way. So let me show you from outside how it looks. We are here, guys, in our village. Thank you so much. I want to appreciate all those that have been watching my videos, guys, of building. Sometimes it's boring stuff for others, but others find it interesting, and I'm happy that you are finding it interesting. And yeah, let's take a look at this. This is our entrance over here. Excuse me. All right, so let me just walk you and show you guys the part that is remaining. So today we did I did actually some great work. Well, not much. Yes, guys, so let me show you. So there are 2 courses that are remaining, but we did this course going all the way to the far end. Yes, guys, all the way to the far end here. We have built, guys. We have built all the way to here. So you can see the 3 courses on top that I've added from here. Now you notice that on this side there's this little corner which is protruding here. I don't know if that's the correct word. That one, even on the other, even here there's this. It means this corner is not like an 80, is it 180 degrees corner? It's a little bit smaller like that. So you end up having such kind of protruding. So I'm going to cut those. Yes. Later on when it's dry, I can just simply cut them, you know. So tomorrow our job will be to fill up this part. Oh, guys, I'm super excited. Take a look. So from that corner there, just 2 courses remaining to go up to that far. Then we call it a day. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. I'm very happy, very, very happy. You know, very, very happy, guys. And I'll show you guys how it's going to look when it's done. Yeah, but this is our work for the day. This is how far we've gone for today. And I want you guys to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Please, please, please support the channel by simply liking the video. And yeah, share it if you can, if possible. I mean, you can. So we're just running 2 courses halfway, which is about 102 blocks, starting from here going all the way to that corner. So it's about 104, if not 100, if 102, if not 100. Yeah, because each one was consuming about 46 blocks, you know. So but now we've done a bit of that corner, so that reduces the number of blocks. But we are very happy, and we'll continue tomorrow if possible, but if not, yeah, we'll do some other videos, maybe in Tanzania or somewhere, so that you guys, I can show you a bit of one of our neighboring countries. Yeah, at the cost of somebody. But yeah, we'll see what we can do tomorrow, and the other day we should be done here. So thank you so much for coming back to the channel to watch my video up to this far. I really want to say big up to those that have been supporting this channel, even during the construction of this. For us to go all this far, it's not a joke, you know. It's not a joke. I've really worked hard, guys. I've really worked my butt out, and I think it's paying off, you know. You can see the works, and we're remaining with a bit of blocks. I hope these will be enough. Actually, they should be enough to complete this part, you know, and maybe we're going to remain with about 30 blocks anyway. So thank you so much for coming. I'm actually going to end my video from here today. And I want to say thank you once again for all those that have been coming, guys. Please supporting me. I'm your Zambian YouTuber. I do travel videos. I do farming content if you like farming, and I also do real estate property reviews. So here we are. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Take care of yourselves. Love you guys. Bye.